I am up early!
Start to lose all control of my mind, body and soul. Feel the vibe, like it's my last day to be alive. Tonight.
Because I have to fold laundry. Yay. Is it weird to suddenly break out into Bohemian Rhapsody while folding clothes? I didn't think so.
Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening.
So I've done the laundry. I've packed up all my shit. I've actually cleaned the fan. You would not believe how loaded with dust it was. Like, ew. And now I'm sitting down in front of this beautiful fan, watching this funny-ass show, getting on my computer, until Kathy comes back at around noonish 30, and taking me back home. I want to stay longer.
Publicity, and I had to do something drastic, like kiss a black girl.
This is hilarious.
Couldn't drive. Oh.
Charlie Sheen roast.
Suggest to you, Charlie.
Winning. I don't want the pizza, you will eat it. How dare you? How dare she? I'm back home.